Welcome to GNU Simulator 8085. I want to start the programming language with the help of GNU Simulator 8085 microprocessor. This is the simulator. I click on this simulator and here this is a place where you can write the code. You click here for place. First of all, you should delete all these content previously shown on the screen. Here are some registers and register pair are mentioned. This is flags, and here you can convert the hexadecimal value to decimal value and decimal value to hexadecimal value. This is input and output port. This is the place where you can write the code. After writing the code, next process you should go in the assembler menu, and here is assemble. You can click on the assemble and your code become compiled. After compiling, if there is any error, then you can correct that error, and then after you should go again in assembler and execute your program and clicking on execute menu. After then you can see your result from clicking on this button. In this is the menu option. Here these are the addresses and these are the data value. You can find your result from a particular address. Your results is mentioned on a particular address. Then you click again here and write the program. First of all, I want to write a simple program to clear the process, how to compile and how to execute the assembly language program with the help of GNU Simulator 8085. So I start writing the program, and you can write the comment with the start of semicolon, and you can write any statement here like write ALP assembly language program for addition of two number here we take the instruction MVI. You can write both case in capital letters, or you can write your instruction in uppercase or capital letter or lowercase. There is no restriction to write the instruction. Use caps lock and write the instruction MVI A, 02, and next instruction is MVI B, 03. Now I use add instruction, add B, and now result are stored at the place of 2055. This is the program, a little program of adding two numbers. We use data 02, 03, 02 in register A or accumulator A, and 03 in register B, and now we add the data of content of register B and A and get the result into accumulator. This show the A is equal to A plus B, means value of A and B are added together and stored in the accumulator. STA denote the store the accumulator data at the address 2055. This is the program. Next step, to save the program, I save the program ADDION addition, or any word you can write this, addition of to number. Now your program is saved. Now you can execute your program. Click on assembler and now click execute. Okay, see the result here. You type the address 2055 and get the answer here. At the address 2055 we get